Hey everybody, welcome back to 705 Magnet Fishing. Today we're back here where I found that safe lid, safe door, whatever. I'm going to toss this muscular magnet in the water and see if I can get the other half.
Oh, what is that? Oh, oh yeah, that felt nice and heavy. There's another one of those bridge things. Pretty seized up. Oh yeah, so we're on to something here. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a mailbox and a horseshoe. Mailbox lid maybe, and the horseshoe. That's awesome. That horseshoe's been down there a while. Some braided line with a sinker. That looks like a flap of a mailbox, possibly. Cool.
Just pulled this beauty up. It was a lot. Super heavy. Really heavy. Couldn't believe how heavy. Cut my finger a bit. Super muddy. My shirt. Had to get it past all that metal. It was a lot. Muscular magnet strikes again. Oh, it's an anchor. Part of an anchor. That's awesome. Just picked up this boat anchor. Might even clean that up, see if I can reuse it again.
Oh, I felt that. came off. Let's see if I can get back on it. I think I have it again. Keep getting it at a bad spot. That's a piece of wood with a metal bar. Okay, just a quick wrap up here. You got that nice heavy bicycle. I'm pretty sure that's a pole for a sign. Long piece of metal there. Got this awesome boat anchor. I thought that pedal was going to be from that bike, but as you can see, it has partial of the pedals on each side, so there's got to be another bike down there. But this is definitely down there a while. I'll clean that up, see what we can do with it.